Are you Rh-negative blood? Common beliefs and myths about Rh-negative personality are as follow. People with Rh-negative blood are sometimes described with unique traits, often mystical or rare qualities, because only 15% of the world's population has it. Some commonly mentioned characteristics. Independent thinkers, often nonconformist, prefer to do things their own way. Highly intuitive, believed to have stronger gut feelings or even extrasensory perception. Empathetic and compassionate, sensitive to others' emotions, natural helpers. Strong-willed and determined, resilient and focused when they commit to something. Creative and imaginative, drawn to art, philosophy, or spiritual subjects. Feel like outsiders, sometimes described as different or not fully fitting in. Physical myths. Some folklore claims Rh-negative people have lower body temperature, higher sensitivity to sunlight, or unusual eye color. This is not scientifically supported. In Japanese and Korean blood type personality theory, the Rh factor is rarely emphasized. But when mentioned, they say Rh-negative versions of each type, A, B, AB, O, are considered rarer, more mysterious, and more emotionally sensitive compared to their Rh-positive counterparts. According to the science, there's no scientific evidence that Rh-negative blood, or any blood type, determines personality. Personality is shaped by genetics, upbringing, culture, and environment, not blood type. However, in some cultures, like Japan, Korea, and parts of Europe, blood type personality theories are popular, similar to how people use zodiac signs in the West. Break down each Rh-negative type with cultural personality interpretations. Type A negative. Perfectionist, empathetic, detail-oriented. Rh-negative twist, more introverted, deep thinkers, highly sensitive. Type B negative. Independent, adventurous, curious. Rh-negative twist, mysterious, unpredictable, sometimes loner energy. Type O negative. Leadership qualities, strong, loyal, protective. Rh-negative twist, intense, warrior-like, old soul archetype. Type AB. Complex, intellectual, adaptive. Rh-negative twist, mystical, visionary, spiritual leaders, enigmatic. Mystical and spiritual beliefs around Rh-negative. Star seed or alien DNA theories, fringe beliefs in UFO communities. Old soul or reincarnation connections. Empaths and healers seen as natural energy sensitives. Paranormal associations, psychic intuition, prophetic dreams. Critique, psychological reasons people are attracted to these ideas. However, very important, separating myth versus medical fact. What Rh-negative means according medical fact. The Rh factor is a protein, D antigen, on the surface of red blood cells. Rh-positive, the protein is present. Rh-negative, the protein is absent. In the world population, Rh-negative are about 15%. Highest frequency, European descent, especially Basques in Spain/France, up to 30–35%. Very rare in Asia, less than 1%, in Africa 2 to 5%. Medical importance of Rh-negative. First, pregnancy, hemolytic disease of the newborn. If an Rh-negative mother carries an Rh-positive baby, her immune system may create antibodies against the baby's red blood cells. Can cause anemia, jaundice, or even life-threatening complications for the baby. Second, for prevention, ROV-D, immune globulin, ROGM, injections must be given during and after pregnancy. For blood transfusions, Rh-negative individuals must receive Rh-negative blood, otherwise their immune system may attack Rh-positive cells. O-negative is called the universal donor, because it can be given to almost anyone in an emergency. In summary, Rh-negative simply means the absence of the Rh-D antigen. It is not a disease or a health disorder. The main importance is in pregnancy and blood transfusions. It has no proven effect on personality, intelligence, or physical ability, All beliefs outside this are cultural or mythology. A negative blood can donate to a negative and AB negative. B negative blood can donate to B negative and AB negative. AB negative blood can only donate to AB negative, while O negative can donate to all Rh negative types, and called universal donor. Lots of people wondering, do mosquitoes prefer Rh negative blood? No scientific evidence shows that mosquitoes are more attracted to Rh negative blood than Rh positive. Mosquito preference is not linked to Rh factor. Instead, it depends on other factors. What really attracts mosquitoes? 1. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Mosquitoes can sense CO2 from our breath up to 30 meters away. People who exhale more, larger body size, higher activity, tend to attract more bites. 2. Body heat and sweat. Mosquitoes detect warmth and lactic acid in sweat. Active people or those with higher body temps are more attractive. 3. Skin bacteria. The type and mix of bacteria on your skin affect your scent. Certain microbiomes make you smell tastier to mosquitoes. 4. Blood type, ABO, not Rh. Some studies, not all, suggest people with type O blood may get bitten more than those with A, B, or AB. But Rh factor, positive or negative, was not part of those studies. 5. Pregnancy. Pregnant women attract more mosquitoes because they exhale more CO2 and have higher abdominal heat. 6. Alcohol consumption. Drinking beer or alcohol has been linked to higher mosquito attraction. However, mosquitoes don't care if you're Rh negative or Rh positive. What matters is body heat, CO2, sweat, and skin bacteria. To avoid mosquitoes' bites, you can use natural repellents like lemon balm, citronella oil, basil oil, or peppermint oil during early morning and evening hours. For more information and health tips, please follow and subscribe.